motivated to give more and more Medhavi scholarship exams in the coming future. Thank you.
Hello, I am Chidvilasa. I have completed my schooling from Shraddha High School, Andhra Pradesh. My experience about Medhavi exams is Medhavi exams are gainful for the aspirants and also motivates one towards acquiring more knowledge with the basic information. Looking forward for more exams of this kind from Medhavi. Thank you for this initiative.
Hello, my name is Prashasti Radgi. I am from Kanpur. Currently, I am pursuing Psychology Honours from Delhi University. My experience with Medhavi exams has been wonderful. They really help me prepare for further competitive exams, and they help motivate me to keep up to date with all my current affairs and do better. I find the mock tests also really useful and relevant as they are very close to the exams. Thank you.
Myself Dinesh Rawat. I completed my graduation from Delhi University. Now I am preparing from bank and other competitive exams. Medhavi National Scholarship is a great initiative by.
Hello, this is Harshita Singh from Padrona, Kushinagar. I am here to share my experience regarding Medhavi National Scholarship Scheme. It is the plausible scheme in the field of education and enlightenment. The timing, the toughness of the question paper, and the scholarship incentive is all student centric, and any students can boost their level of the confidence by simply participating in the different examination given provided by the Medhavi scholarship scheme.
Hi everyone, this is Amandeep Singh and I have completed my plus 2 from Vidya Bhavan Public School, Indore, and currently I am studying in IIM Indore and I am from Devariya, Uttar Pradesh. I came to know about Medhavi through an advertisement on Instagram and I have been giving the exam since then, and it has prepared a lot for me, and it's quite a good experience, though we need to prepare a lot before giving the exam, but it's worth it. Thank you.
Hello, I am Arpan Chaudhary and I was awarded the scholarship of A type in the recently conducted Samadhan 3 by the Medhavi scholarship, and I came to know about the Medhavi scholarship process overall about 4 or 5 months back, and my overall experience has been seamless and also quite good because of the regular feedbacks in the Medhavi app and also the way it is conducted. The financial assistance that provides for some people to apply for many exam or the colleges, and also, and the overall experience of how the exam was conducted is also quite good. So thank you.
My journey with Medhavi was great. I would say great initiative by HRDM, a great platform for students for any age group to gain in a scholarship by using the skills. The negative marking in the test makes it even more favorable for those who work hard for this test. So I would invite everyone watching this video to download this app, join the Medhavi community, and to get attractive scholarship using many tests.
Hello and greetings. I am Arshit Gupta and I have done my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya Silvassa. I found Medhavi app while searching for scholarships online, and it has been instrumental in pushing me to learn and apply my knowledge on regular basis. The various scholarship schemes offered at the convenience of your phone helps me take tests and test my standings with others. 100% recommended.